Shipping the right product at the right time is always important. However, in the medical supply world, an incorrect order could result in a postponed surgery. Eliminating human error is critical when working toward zero tolerance within your order fulfillment processes. In a recent project for a well-known global medical supply company, Wynright was faced with a few difficult challenges when asked to automate the firm's material handling system and outdated legacy processes. Challenge 1. Working with an outdated warehouse system. Challenge 2. Legacy processes resulted in labor-intensive logistics that were prone to errors. Challenge 3. Struggling with diminishing warehouse space. Challenge 4. Picking, packing and replenishing processes are all manual. Challenge 5. Problems dealing with increased order rate and value-added activities. To address the manual picking process, which had a high probability of errors, the solution included approximately 1,200 next pick-to-light devices spread over 8 pick zones. Lights blink in different colors for various SKU requirements. The installation includes Wynright's Wynsoft Order Fulfillment module, which incorporates a wide variety of intuitive supervisor screens to capture, analyze and present actionable data using a customizable dashboard interface. The system also utilizes a display with a thin client running in kiosk mode, constantly displaying crucial key performance indicators. A zone routing conveyor system, integrated by Abel Womack, a certified Wynright integrator partner, utilizes Wynright's Wynsoft Warehouse execution software to direct all of the totes on the conveyor, in and out of pick zones, and off to shipping, packing, hospital, and QA zones. The bottom line is that the client is enjoying increased productivity. Previously, they were shipping 16,000 SKUs per person per month. Today, they ship 23,530 SKUs per person per month, allowing the client to meet its goal of 72% shipping growth. The pick-to-light system was found to be significantly helpful as it eliminated the human error element prone to paper-based picking systems, which is vital when errors translate to postponed surgeries.